There is huge transformative potential where artificial intelligence and machine learning bring to DevOps practices, enhancing efficiency, automation, and decision making processes. Integrating AI and ML into DevOps can significantly improve various aspects of the software development and operations lifecycle. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. There are several benefits of AI and ML in DevOps. That includes AI and ML can automate routine tasks such as code testing, deployment, and monitoring, reducing the need for manual intervention and minimizing human error. These allows DevOps teams to focus on more strategic activities. Secondly, AI and ML can analyze vast amounts of data generated during the development and operations process to predict potential issues before they occur. This includes identifying performance bottlenecks, predicting system failures, and estimating resource requirements. With AI driven monitoring, systems can continuously learn from operational data, providing real time insights and alerts. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate problems, allowing teams to address issues proactively. With the continued innovations, AI and ML can analyze historical data and outcomes to provide recommendations for optimizing workflows, resource allocation, and even code quality. This data driven decision making can lead to faster and more efficient DevOps processes. Going forward, AI can prioritize and categorize incidents based on their potential impact, ensuring that critical issues are addressed promptly. ML models can also suggest solutions based on past incidents, speeding up the resolution process. At the same time, ML algorithms can optimize the use of resources such as computing power and storage, ensuring that they are used efficiently and reducing costs. This is particularly useful in cloud environments where resource allocation is dynamic. AI and ML can help identify and mitigate security vulnerabilities by continuously analyzing code configurations and network traffic. These technologies can detect unusual patterns that may indicate a security breach, enabling quicker responses to potential threats. Unleashing the power of AI and ML in DevOps can revolutionize the way software is developed, tested, and deployed. By automating tasks, providing predictive insights, and improving decision making, these technologies can help organizations achieve faster, more reliable, and more secure software delivery. However, to fully harness these benefits, organizations must address the challenges related to data integration and skills. As AI and ML continue to evolve, their role in DevOps will only grow, driving further innovation and efficiency in the industry. Let's look into today's headlines. Google Chrome to inform online users on copying links and images. Google is apparently planning to provide new alerts for Chrome browser users on the way. These notifications will appear when an on screen element is copied. This new feature is planned to provide visual feedback comparable to Chrome for Android's pop up notifications. When you copy an on screen element, such as a link or an image, Google Chrome for Android displays a confirmation pop-up. Report traffic violations and earn up to 50,000 rupees in Delhi. The Delhi police is increasing its efforts to crack down on traffic rule infractions by incorporating the public in a substantial way. On September 1st, the Delhi police is relaunching the Traffic Sentinel mobile app with a new name, Traffic Prahari. This app is designed to allow Delhi residents to report traffic problems in real time. The top four informers will receive cash prizes: 50,000 rupees for first place, 25,000 rupees for second, 15,000 rupees for third, and 10,000 for the fourth. VI obtains 900 MHz spectrum to improve customer experience. VI recently owned 900 MHz spectrum for 7 circles around the country. VI will now deliver improved services in the following circles: Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Punjab, Kolkata, and Uttar Pradesh East. The 900 MHz spectrum will allow the provider to improve the indoor network experiences for its customers. In 5 of these 7 circles, the telco claimed that it is now offering 900 MHz band services for the first time. Brazil restricts Starlink bank accounts amid a government conflict with Elon Musk's X. Brazil's Supreme Court has blocked Starlink's bank accounts due to a disagreement with Elon Musk's X over unpaid fines. The court's decision is related to ongoing efforts to combat fake news and hate speech, with X facing penalties for neglecting to deliver documents. Brazil's Supreme Court ordered the suspension of X. Musk criticized the action as illegitimate, claiming it unfairly targeted Starlink, which operates independently from X. Ra Infotech partners with SOC Radar. Ra Infotech has formed a strategic partnership with SOC Radar. This agreement seeks to offer SOC Radar's cutting edge cyber threat intelligence technologies to organizations in India and the SAARC region, addressing the growing complexity of cybersecurity threats. This partnership combines Ra Infotech's extensive distribution network and cybersecurity expertise with SOC Radar's state of the art solution. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.